how to repair hits DD that only beeping, and then the desk is not turning. So first, yeah, you will remove um, all the screw on the cover. So there's a screw here, and then there's a six screw on the side. So I will take the screw here, and then the six screw on the side. So I remove now all the screw, and then this is the cover, and then this is the internal parts of the hard drive. So the hard drive is really hard to turn. So if you can see on the screen, I will try this. So this is the connector, and then the power supply wire connector as well. If you can hear, it's only beeping because you know the head, instead that it will park on the side, so the head stuck in the middle. So just only push this, and then after you push, so you can back the connector again, and then try to restart. And then if you can see, so the desk is turning, and then if you can see as well on the screen that the hard drive is working now properly. So the only problem is the head is stuck in the middle, so the motor or the desk won't start because it's really hard, because the the two head is squeezing really hard. If the head is on the middle, is the middle will park. So that's it. So if your hard drive there's a problem, same like this, so just only open all the screw, remove the cover, and then just push, the head, and then you can fix your hard drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. So if I have more videos how to fix any things like hard drive, computers, television, so you will notify. Thank you for watching. Bye.